Good morning, students. Today we will study next part of this chapter, Introduction to Polymer Chemistry, that is some important polymers. In the last lecture, we had studied classification of polymers. So first important polymer is rubber. Elastomers, this we had studied one type of polymer. So these are popularly known as rubbers. So what are elastomers? We had already studied, that is intermolecular forces. If it is present as a van der Waals force, then type of polymer called as a elastomers. So elastomers are rubbers. For example, balloons, shoe sole, then tires, surgeon's glove, garden hose, etc. They are made from elastomeric material or rubber. Very good example of this rubber is a natural rubber. So what is this natural rubber? It is a monomer of this natural rubber is isoprene, and IUPAC name of isoprene is a 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. So we know butadiene is a 4 carbon containing chain. 1,3 position indicates the double bond between 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, and second position have side chain methyl group. So it is isoprene or 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. Natural rubber is high molecular mass linear polymer of isoprene. So natural rubber is linear polymer of this isoprene or 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene. Its molar mass varies from this 1,30,000 units to 3,40,000 units. That is, the number of monomers unit varies from 2,000 to 5,000. So very large number of monomers are present in this natural rubber. So the structure is like this. This is a CH3 group at second position. Then it is a 1,3-butadiene. Then second molecule of 1,3-butadiene. Third molecule of 1,3-butadiene. So this is a structure of this 1,3-butadiene polymer that is called as a natural rubber. The reaction involved in the formation of natural rubber by the process of addition polymerization. Yesterday we had studied these types of polymerization: addition, condensation. So this is addition type of polymerization. These are N molecules of isoprene, that is 2-methyl-1,3-butadiene, which on polymerization it gives polyisoprene or rubber. During the polymerization, this double bond position changes. Double bond becomes single bond and single bond becomes double bond in this alkene chain. So this is a polyisoprene unit that is called as a natural rubber. Then properties of natural rubber. First property is polyisoprene molecule has cis configuration. So carbon-carbon double bond have cis configuration. See this. The small groups at the one side and the large group at the other side of the double bond means similar groups are present on the same side. So if we consider this is the large group and this is a large group present at one side and other side these small groups. So this is a cis configuration. It consists of various chains held together by weak van der Waals force and has coiled structure. Second property is it can be stretched like spring and exhibit the elastic property. Then vulcanization of rubber. What is vulcanization? To improve the physical properties of natural rubber, the process of vulcanization is carried out. A question may be asked in examination like why vulcanization of rubber is carried out. It's very simple answer is to improve the physical properties of natural rubber. So in 1839, Charles Goodyear, American inventor, invented the process of vulcanization. So who invented vulcanization? American inventor Charles Goodyear invented this vulcanization process in 1839. In this process, the network or the cross link is introduced into the elastomers is called as a vulcanization. That is, a sulfur is added in the natural rubber, and therefore this cross-link take place between elastomers, that is a long chain polymers, and this properties, physical properties can be improved. This vulcanization enhances properties like tensile strength, stiffness, elasticity, toughness. These physical properties can be improved of natural rubber. Sulfur vulcanization is the most frequently used process. Sulfur forms cross-link between polyisoprene chains, which results in the improved properties of natural rubber. So when sulfur is added in natural rubber and when it is heated to certain temperature, then we get rubber having the improved property, that is called as a vulcanization of rubber. So that is about the first type of polymer, that is the rubber. Thank you.